What's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about how you can use the DP strategy, the digital product strategy, to make some money with Instagram, to monetize your account. And the cool thing about these strategies is that it works for any account and that you can even do it without having your own product, but we will talk about that exactly in affiliate marketing. Now, what the digital product is, it's basically something like a video course, like an ebook, like I don't know, like a membership platform, something like this. And for example, one of the ways how I monetize my personal brand, not just the personal brand, but how I also monetize different other brands and personal brands that I've worked with within like the last 16 months or whatever. Like we use these strategies, or I use these strategies to, first of all, like one of the results was $1 million in sales in 45 days with an Instagram account that has less than 15,000 followers. We also, with that same Instagram account, a few months later, made like 270K revenue in one day, and that was totally crazy. And all that with a digital product, right? And the digital product is basically, as I already said, like an info course. It can be an ebook, it can be whatever, right? And what you basically do is you take your Instagram account, right? So I have my Instagram account right here. And you take your Instagram account and you then basically go and start selling products, right? You start selling digital products. You can put the link into your bio. You can go into your Instagram story and tell people, okay, swipe up and check out my course or whatever, right? And you then just send them to a sales page like this. And the way how this sales page is structured, we can quickly go over it. We have the headline here. We then have the sales video. We then have the main story over here, because, you know, look, people don't buy because of logic. They buy because of emotions, right? That's why I have this long main story that transfers emotions on this page. And after that, we have the offer of the Instagram University 3.0 over here too. We then have a sneak peek into the program so that people can see what it's about. We then have a money back guarantee. We have like a little bonus that we throw in. We have a special offer, so we just do some scarcity over here. We then have benefits and testimonials like social proof. Here are some more testimonials. We then have something like mentorship plus knowledge is success. It's kind of like a statement. We then have some more authority that these influencers give me and the Instagram University 3.0. And then there's basically like a recap of the offer at the end with some more testimonials. And that's basically the sales page, okay? It's a long one, but it converts pretty good. And I just sent my followers from the personal brand to that sales page, right? And people then go to the sales page, check it out, they watch the video, they maybe click this button, right? Then put in their email address, and then they will be sent to Digistore24, which is a payment provider that you can use to sell your digital products. And that's basically how it works, okay? So you can check out Digistore24, it's totally free. Maybe we'll put a link down below this video, or you can also just type in Digistore24, right? You just type it into Google. It's also available for like the American market, so you know the platform is also in English. You just click there, and you can then start your account, right? And you can then start selling digital products, okay? And we use, for those of you who don't know, we use ClickFunnels. It's a free, not free tool, it's a paid tool, but we use ClickFunnels. Basically, you know, you can just type it in. We use ClickFunnels to build our sales pages, okay? So this is what the sales page looks like. I already showed it to you. And we use ClickFunnels to build it. We use Digistore24 as a payment provider so that people can actually pay. And that's basically it, like an amazing way how you can make lots of money with Instagram. Because the cool thing about having a digital product is that you can like 24/7 sell an autopilot, okay? The only thing you have to do is you have to build that funnel. You have to like build a funnel so that you can automatically sell your digital product, and then you just set it up once, you put some videos into a members area, and you can then just sell it and you don't have to work for it again. You can then even like set up an Instagram story and post system so that you, for example, for 30 days, have day 1 you have this, day 2 this, and this, day 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, until 30. So you have 30 different Instagram stories that you upload and 30 different posts, and after 30 days you can just repeat it. That's like, you know, I wouldn't like specifically do that, but you can do something like that. You can set up a system so that you consistently have something and know exactly what and when to post, and then you just send people into your funnel onto the sales page, and the sales page sells your digital product, and you can then start making money, okay? So great strategy. I've made hundreds of thousands, actually like millions of dollars in sales with digital products. And that's probably my favorite way when it comes to making money with Instagram. For those of you who want to be like go a little bit advanced, because you know this is a little bit advanced. You have to build the funnel, you have to build the sales page, you have to build the member area, you have to record the videos and all that good stuff. But what you can also do is you can just start selling other people's products, right? So you can just go and do affiliate marketing. But that's one of the things that we will talk about actually in the affiliate marketing strategy. Okay, so be excited for that video. So the next one we will talk about the pretty cool strategy that you can actually use to make some good money. It's for beginners, the CCX strategy. And yeah, I hope this video helped you. Yeah, like check it out. Check out Digital24, create your account, check out ClickFunnels, start building your funnel, and you can then start selling your digital product. And that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Be excited for the next live call. Definitely sign up for it inside the VIP program, and in it we can maybe in depth go into like digital products, how selling works, how you can actually build a funnel, all that good stuff. And yeah, for those of you who want to like learn everything about building funnels, check out the 100 group, and I will then see you inside.